Hey, it's Jen from Gold Nutrition. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jen. I'm a registered dietitian, the founder of Gold Nutrition, and a planning enthusiast. And today I'm going to be transforming my budget planner into my home management planner. So if that sounds good to you, then just keep watching. Hey guys, how's it going? You may have seen a couple videos back that I had set this planner up, which is my budget planner for the month of February, and I have been using it, but I've kind of been rethinking the way that I'm using my planners. Today, what I want to do is turn this planner, which right now is only my budget planner, into my home management planner. It's going to have my personal finances still in here, so it'll be like a budgeting section. And then there's going to be a section that is not going to have any pressure attached to it. It's not like I'm going to have to use it all the time, but I do want to put some cleaning checklists into it and just some ideas about ways that I would like to change up my home over time. And then in the last section, I finally decided how I'm going to use my lined vertical. If you saw my 2022 lineup, which if you haven't, I will link it for you. I had bought this planner and I just wasn't sure how I was going to use it, but I just kind of got drawn into it and I bought it. So it is a lined vertical layout. Let me show you what that looks like if you're not familiar. I should say these are classic Happy Planners. Also, I will link any Happy Planner products that I talk about in this video, as well as my nails. I am both a Happy Planner affiliate and an Impress Manicure affiliate. What that means is if you click on the link and you make a purchase, I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you choose to do that, thank you so much. So this is the lined vertical, and what I've been using it for is I've been kind of using it to make lists. I sometimes use daily pages, but I mostly only use daily pages on days that I don't go to work and I'm working on, my business or things like that at home. And it will be a mix of personal things like doing laundry and, things like filming and all that kind of stuff. I use a mini Happy Planner for my on-the-go kind of all the time planner, the planner that I'm in all the time. And I did just set that one up and I'll link that video for you. But I mostly put like appointments or really important tasks, things like that in there. And it's a mini, so it doesn't have a lot of room. But when I come home from work, I have things I have to make sure I get done, like packing the kids up for school and, getting my things ready for the next day and laundry, all those kinds of things. And so I've been using this for that. It's enough room for each day to make a list like that. And then I get my things done. So I'm going to put this into my home management planner as well. And then my daily pages are going to go into what's my social media business planner, and I'll have a setup of that coming up sometime soon. So if you're interested in seeing that, why don't you go ahead and subscribe, hit that red button down below and ring the bell, and you'll be notified when that video comes out. And if you choose to do that, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. If you're enjoying this video, then please like it, give it a big thumbs up, and I really appreciate that as well. But anyway, I'm excited to set this planner up. I also have a new cover. I actually bought this cover with the intention of putting it onto my wellness planner. I think I will still put it on my wellness planner down the line, but I'm going to use it for this and see how it goes. And these silver discs don't look too bad, but I think I'm going to use these rose gold discs. I had intended to put it on the white discs, but the white discs are still on my wellness planner. So maybe down the line, if I catch them on sale, maybe I'll grab another set of white discs. But I also just think that at some point, this will go onto the white discs as the cover of my wellness planner. I have actually really been enjoying switching things up. I never used to really do that. I mean, I did. I kept continuously changing my planner setup, but once I set up a planner until I stopped using it, I would just kind of keep the discs and the covers for the most part. I'm going to put everything together and then we'll come back and we'll do a big flip through and we'll talk it out. All right, let's do it. I'm so excited, you guys. So here's my new cover. It's one of the snap-in covers. I believe you can still get it. So if so, I'll link it. These are rose gold metal discs. I do tend to prefer metal. I think it turns easier. Some people say plastic turns easier. I don't know, but I like the look of it. So I prefer the metal. And then when you open it, I kept the cover page from my budget planner because I don't have another one anyway, and it's fine. And then I'm not going to flip through the budget section of my planner because I'm just not comfortable sharing numbers. I can turn just quickly to a blank section if you just like to see. I'm using a monthly planner, Happy Planner Monthly Planner. If you want to see how I set up the budgeting section in my planner, my last video was on that. So mainly for my budgeting, I use the monthly layout, but this planner does then have a very nice dashboard area, and I started incorporating that. And then I use this area to list, you know, what I'm spending on gas, what I'm spending on groceries, as I'm trying to develop a new budget. And then there's a note section, and that's where I'm going to track my expenses. So that's the budgeting section. And the bookmark that I held up and I put in there, here, I will come back with it. So this dashboard, it was a set of 3, and I'll show you the other 2 when we get to them. These are from the Homebody collection, and they have an undated monthly planner right now that matches these, which is really pretty. I was already working in this one, and plus I prefer dated. I think there's some advantages to undated too. I like to keep my top tabs in the current page. For instance, if it's my weekly layout, then I want it to be in the week I'm in so that I can just open right there. So that's how I use these rather than like at the start of the section per se. But I have considered getting the glass divider top tabs from Cloth and Paper and using those to delineate the sections. I have the side tab ones, both in classic and half letter, and they're really nice. I've never gotten the top tab ones though, but these are fine. These are fine for now. So I'll just put that aside. So let's see. So after my budgeting section is the lined vertical, which I love the simplicity of this divider. I just really, really like it. So then I stuck it into next week. Here is one of the other dashboards that came in that set. It says, "Oh, how she loved to be at home." A really pretty dashboard. I think it looks really nice with this cover. I'm going to use this for like my to-do lists. I have been actually already. I had thrown this month into the back of the planner even before I'd really, made the full transformation. And I don't use it every single day, just some real talk. Your planner is supposed to help you, right? It's supposed to be a tool to organize you. It may also be a creative outlet. It certainly is for me. But if the planner is stressing you out, it's not helping you. And so I've just tried to let go of my perfectionism and not be beholden to the planner, but make the planner work for me and help me, right? Because that's what it's supposed to do. So I'm not going to feel bad if I don't write in it on a certain day, because I'm using the system the way it works for me. And I encourage you to do the same. So then after this, which I think I put quite a few months of my budget planner in here. I like that. I only put 1 month of this. I don't see why I would need more than 1 month at a time of this, because it's really just kind of a workhorse kind of thing. And then I threw at the end of this, this is one of those sticker, snap-in like sticker, I think they call it a page protector. I love these things. And I put just a couple pages from the Tiny Icons book and a few stickers from Keleva Plan that are all household stickers. I don't usually tear my books apart, but I just won't go searching for these. But if they're here, I'll use them and it'll just be fun. So I need a little joy. I need a little joy in my planner. And then this dashboard is so pretty. Create a home inspired by your life, and then your home will inspire you. And I thought that was perfect for this section. So this is going to be the least pressure section of all. I'm just going to use it when I want to use it. And all I put in here were some pages from the Colorful Leopard journal. I don't know if the Colorful Leopard journal is still available, but if it is, I highly recommend it, because it just has some pages that have boxes and stuff, and that's some of the stuff I put in here. But then it's tons and tons and tons of dot grid paper. It's such a great journal. For a little while, I was using the Colorful Leopard journal as my wellness planner and a journal, although I have to be honest, I wasn't all that successful at that time as using it as a journal. If you're interested in seeing how I kind of melded that with it, like a fitness extension pack, I could link that video for you. And I used that for quite some time. What I'm going to do in this section is a few things. So I don't know exactly, but this area, I think I'm going to start maybe collecting some pictures and some ideas of ways that I'd like to change up the house. Eventually, I'd like to paint our kitchen, some things like that. So I might use some of this for that. And then this is just going to be like a brain dump. And this is going to become a weekly cleaning checkoff list. And I think that I might make like a laminated dry erase one so that I could just keep using it over and over. If you would be interested in me doing that on camera, let me know, comment below, and I could totally do that. That would be fun. And I just clipped these together. I got recently a Valentine surprise package from Anna Bean on a Mission, and the clips came in it, so I threw them in here. Anna Bean is here on YouTube. She's also over on Instagram. She has a shop. She's just a beautiful person. And so anyway, I will link her website in my description box. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. I'm just so happy to support her. So check her out. She has a beautiful sticker book. Yeah, check her out. So then after that, I just threw in some note paper. It's I just like having some lined paper to jot some notes. So like I said, it's no pressure. I don't even know exactly. I just want to give myself the room to explore ideas and try to get myself more organized in this area of my life, because I know it would just benefit me and my family in so many ways. So that is my home management planner, and it's so pretty too. What do you guys think? I'm interested. Do you use a home planner? This was so fun. Thank you for hanging out with me. I appreciate you. I appreciate you being here and spending time with me. Please comment below. I love talking with everybody. I always answer back. Hang out with me on Instagram. You can either catch me over at Gold Nutrition. That's where I share like nutrition, goal setting, mindset, all that kind of thing. And then you can also hang out with me at Planning Gold. That's my planner account. It's a lot of fun, and I love it if you'd hang out with me. So that is going to do it for this one, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.